Hello, hello. Think about all the processed foods that people eat on a regular basis. Everything from cookies, cereal, crackers, chips, Pop-Tarts, donuts, waffles, pancakes, the list goes on and on and on. Did you know that every single one of them is a combination of three basic foods: seed oils, grains, and sugar? And those happen to be the most toxic foods for our bodies. So it's no wonder that the more of these processed foods you eat, the worse you feel, the faster we lose our health, and all of the diseases in our country are just skyrocketing. They also happen to be on the food pyramid. All these grains, all these fibers, they're promoting them as good and heart healthy, especially like whole grains and things like that. They're telling us to eat the seed oils or the vegetable oils instead of the animal fats. They are toxic to our body. They are highly processed, they're denatured, they're just not good for us at all. So it's no wonder, and I just thought, that's really interesting that the majority of many people's diets is those three foods. So think about it the next time you reach for a processed food, and think about what it's doing to your body. First of all, our gut health is so important. Our gut determines a lot of things that go on in our body, and the gut bacteria is tied directly to our health, our overall health, and our brain. Did you know that the chemicals for our brain are made in our gut? So if you have bad bacteria, things that are destructive, that are all encourage the overgrowth of these bacteria by processed foods and sugars. So if you have really hardy bacteria, the kind that you need to break down meat and eggs and dairy products, you're going to have a hardier gut bacteria, gut microbiome, and it's going to be able to do more of what it needs to do to process the chemicals and make the hormones you need, because you just have the basic building blocks of what you need. So if you have any struggles with your brain, with anxiety, with depression, think about what you're eating, because there is a direct correlation to the food we eat and how we think. So, food for thought. Have a good day.